In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a website with images using ChatGPT. We'll walk through the exact flow from searching for ChatGPT to getting working HTML and CSS you can run right away, plus a few tips to make the results more polished. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This gives us a quick, familiar way to reach the official site. In the search box, type ChatGPT and press Enter. You'll see results appear instantly. Next, click on the official ChatGPT website. Once you're there, you'll land on the chat interface. If you're prompted to sign in, just follow the on-screen steps so you can start chatting. When you're in, you'll see the message box at the bottom where you can write your request. Now, type a clear prompt. The more specific you are, the better the output. For example, you can say, design a modern responsive website with images. Provide layout, image prompts, and complete HTML, CSS code. Style, clean and professional. Website type, business website. This tells ChatGPT exactly what to generate: the structure of the site, suggested images, and fully formed code. If you already know the sections you want, like a hero, services, about, and contact, mention them. You can also include a preferred color palette or font style to match your brand. When you're ready, send the prompt and wait a moment for the response. Now scan the results. Start by reviewing the layout description so you understand the sections and how they're arranged. Then look for the image prompts or guidance on what visuals to use for each section. Make sure the code comes in separate blocks, typically one for HTML and one for CSS. If anything looks cut off or incomplete, ask ChatGPT to continue, or to provide all files fully. You can also request adjustments, like different colors, a lighter header, or more padding around images, and it will refine the code. Finally, copy the code and paste it into a tool like Replit or Lovable. These are online editors where you can create a quick web demo. Create a new project, paste the HTML into an index.html file, and the CSS into a style.css file if they're separate. Click Run or Preview to see your site. If your images are using placeholder links, swap them for your own URLs or royalty-free images that match the prompts. Resize the browser to confirm the layout is responsive. Tweak spacing, colors, and text until it feels right. And that's it. You've used ChatGPT to design a clean, image-rich, responsive business website and brought it to life in the browser.